Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your vehicle on the Dasher app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your vehicle on the Dasher app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Dasher app. Next, click on the sandwich icon in the top left-hand corner, then click on Preferences. Now, next to your current vehicle, click on the pencil icon or edit icon, and then this is where you can toggle between different vehicles on the Dasher app. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your vehicle on the Dasher app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.